Hey guys, we are on our last one for quiz 1.03. We're going to use this image to classify each pair of lines. So we will start with, let's mark line QR. And line QR is parallel with line ST. It is also perpendicular with line QS and line RT. And these can all go either way. I'm going to do one we did a horizontal, let's do a vertical one, mark it in yellow, and list our pairs there. So let's do this RT. So line RT is parallel with line QS. It is also perpendicular with line QR and line ST. And those are some pairs of lines that you can list with this picture.